there. Rajnikant this side once again. A single marketing tip for you for today, and that is focus one thing at a given time. What this mean? Let me explain further. No matter where you are doing your marketing, whether it is your Facebook ad, Google ad, I mean advertising, or on your sales page, on your landing page, on your what you say opt-in page, or wherever you are doing marketing, uh, you need to you need your visitors to take action, your desired particular action. Okay, the ultimate action you want from your visitor is purchase. Okay, that somehow he buys something from you. Okay, but for this you need to take them uh, from this part to that part sequentially. Okay, what this mean? That if you want a user to fill out the opt-in form, okay, for this what you are using a lead magnet. By providing a lead magnet, you are trying to convince them to fill out their details inside that what you say opt-in form. Okay, so for this you are convincing them by adding some value into their life. Okay, in the form of lead magnet. Okay, even if you are talking about lead magnet and your lead magnet have multiple features, then just try to emphasize just one feature. Talk again and again just about just one feature, not the entire set of features. Okay, this way your visitor is gonna lose interest in that particular thing, and he's not gonna take that action. Okay, so make sure that at a given time in your messaging you are just focusing on one thing, not the entire set of things, not the entire features, not the entire benefits, just one benefit. Okay, and of course there will be other benefits and features too, but the thing is the emphasis should be on that particular, the biggest benefit, or the biggest what you say mm, actually, yeah, the benefits, the biggest, and you need to emphasize on that particular thing. Okay, so again, in your messaging, anywhere in your marketing, in your messaging, just try to focus on one thing at a time. Once that particular action is completed, then your messaging should be completely different, focusing on the thing that triggers the next desired action from the visitor. Got it? So thank you so much for today's lesson. Bye bye.